It's like I'm acting. I'm like be an actor. Like
Yeah, I remember
Fake
that
it.
show was
Fake
good
it.
too.
Fake
So yeah,
okay. So for week 11, number one was reduction theorem. Man, I suck at this. I would be terrible in the test. Extension problems, interactions. Oh, there you go. Rewrite y equal negative sign of x plus square root of 3 cosine of x using the reduction theorem and then graph the function. Did you see that, Bloody?
we got 11 week 11.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I remember trying to work with that. It didn't make sense. They were super hard. So the answer to that one, yeah, was y equal to sine of x plus 2 pi over 3. Um,
What's the? Do we have finals for this class?
yes, next week.
like bad finals.
Huh? And it's like that we can even see like how it looks. There is not a review, anything. It's empty. So I'm destined to have a bad grade in that final. Okay, here we go. Verifying identity. How do you do that in verifying identity? Are you good at it?
Good enough to get at least 60%.
Yeah, I did terrible with that. And when I went to the tutoring, man, the hardest one was the easiest one, and the easiest one was the hardest one.
Yeah.
And it was, what in the world? You need to memorize pretty much all of them and then like make connection. How is that? This is also all this. Uh, was impossible. With Thanksgiving, impossible. Impossible.
What do you have to? What grade do you have? What percent do you have to pass a class and get all the credits? Then 75.
I don't know. I have no idea.
I think you can't have a D. So at least 70%.
But 70 is a C, isn't it?
It's a C minus.
Mm-hmm.
I think you can have them like I think you have to have a 2.0 in a class to get the credits.
Dang, those bars are small.
Full bars.
Not that bar, like 2.0, which is what D minus
2.0, that's a C.
C. Okay.
Okay, so for example, the number 2 says sine of 2x equals sine of x for all solutions. And the answer is uh, Egyptian. I don't know. So sine of 2x, isn't it that 2 sine of x plus cosine of x? Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at number 4, Lottie. The number 4 in the solution in the key. It's like for one question, it's
Crazy.
crazy. It's like if you are like, you know that if you know a little bit, it's like you won't be able. Have to be a teacher, a professional toward them in order to do this exam. I don't know. It's weird. Tangent of 3x equal 1
It's hilarious.
and 3x equal tangent inverse tangent of 1. And then the following work got used resolving tangent of 3x plus 1 equal square root of secant of 3x for all solutions. Based on the previous problem you have solved, what is the issue in solving this equation? Answer: tangent of x and secant of x in the same equation. That is the problem. What identity can be used that relates tangent of x and secant of x together? Answer: tangent squared of x1 equal secant squared of x. What will you need to do in order to use this identity? First, we need to memorize that, unlike 100 others.
Yeah.
You need to do in order to use this identity. Tangent of 3x plus 1 equals square root of 2 secant of 3x. Tangent of 3x plus 1 square. Oh, square both of them. Equals square root of 2 secant 3x. Answer: need to square both sides. Perform the operation, make sure that you multiply correctly. So we tangent of 3x plus 1, 2 tangent of 3x plus 1. Tangent squared of 3x minus 2 tangent of 3x plus 1 equals 0. And do you believe that we will use this in calculus? If I do calculus?
Probably.
Probably. Frick.
Guys,
What?
not on the topic of math or anything close to it, but
As long as we talk.
guess what I got?
What?
Hoverboard.
No.
What?
A subscriber
In
on
my
this.
Huh?
No. I haven't posted the first video yet, but I'm working on it. The thing that I got today was a pass to the Nike employee store when I go home.
Oh, no way. Yeah, I saw your post about it.
Cool.
Yeah, one of my parents' family friends like randomly got it to me. It was awesome.
What does that do?
So if you want any Nike stuff half off, let me know.
Dang. Can I give my parents that? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, I mean, if you want to request it and they're willing to pay for it, then yes.
How much does it cost?
What do you mean?
Or so it's just like a way to get a discount on Nike.
So I'm like, East headquarters is in Beaverton, Oregon, which is 20 minutes from where I live. And they actually have a store there for their employees. Like it's a store, and everything's at least.
Dang.
And it's not like an outlet where you go and there's like all the shoes that have been sitting on the rack or whatever else. It's like the newest products are 50 to 75% off.
Sweet.
It's pretty cool. I was excited about it. Had to share. Back to the
Nice. What's that?
Snappy chatty.
For a second, I was going to say, does Lottie have girls in his room? It's not good.
No comment. I have girls in my house, but not in my room.
I had there was a kid who worked with me in the spring who went to BYUI, and I was like, dude, what's your track? And he's like, oh yeah, I'm fall winter. And I'm like, wait, what? Why aren't you at school? And he's like, oh yeah, I got kicked out. I'm on probation. And I was like, what do you mean? He's like, yeah, they don't like it when you have girls in your room. I'm like, yeah, that's a thing. You know, the whole Mormon thing. That's yeah.
Well, if they find out, yeah. It's only bad if they find out. I'm just kidding.
No comment. This is the benefits of being married, boys.
Yeah. You can have a girl in your room.
Yep. I have a girl in my room every night.
I know with a baby.
What's that?
I know with a baby.
Yeah, with a baby. Actually, they are not with me for the next
Week.
10 days.
10 days?
Yeah, my wife went home early. My mom was here, and they decided that they were going to go back to Portland early.
Because it's freezing in here.
Well, it's actually snowing in Portland today, but
I bet it's not that cold still.
it's not as cold as it is here. No, not anywhere close. And they're not getting like 2 inches of snow right now.
Yeah, I bet.
Is it snowing at your guys' place?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. It is. I heard that it's gonna snow a lot tonight.
Yeah, that's what I've heard too. Like big flakes. Nasty.
Yeah. That's true. Man, yeah, of week 11, to be honest, I forgot everything.
What is it?
Like sine of alpha over 2 equal 1 over 3, and alpha over 2 equal quadrant 2, and then solve for that. It's like everything with 2 sine of 2x plus square root of 3 equals 0, and then solve for something. I mean, find the solutions. Yeah. That's something that I didn't like. Using sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and all that stuff with identities and stuff. And double and half identities. All process of identities. Okay. So this hangout has gone for how long?
Oh, I don't know. Not long enough. Like maybe 15 minutes.
Man. Yeah.
I mean, at this point, you guys can do other stuff, like do other homework or.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, I'm gonna start trying to work on that. Yeah, Greek identities on exam 4A. I did terrible in that one. Greek identity. Oh, I need to. Too much.
You having your meeting? Yeah. You guys finished the movie? Yeah. Nice. I don't want to kill myself.
Why?
I just got a lot of different classes to catch up in.
Gotta stop chasing girls, boy.
I do.
You guys both need to be good women and get married. Life will be so much easier for you.
Is life less distracting?
No. There
I
are
think that's what gets me the most.
different distractions.
I need to find the girl, man. I don't know where she is.
No, your problem is choosing which girls that are all after you, Gabriel.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right.
Dun, dun.
I hope you're right on this question, Gabriel.
Because it doesn't make sense. I did what I could. I mean,
Okay, I need you to tell me what it says. It says P times N equals M. The size would be
would be new. Would be a new one. I mean, you see that using those two examples, like the size of n here and times p, they are different ones. And if you but you can still multiply those two, and then
right.
the result of that and give you a size 2, which is like you can't multiply that for p or n.
Right. The size would be new.
Yeah, it would be a new size. I mean,
It would be a different size.
it would be a different size. The matrix will be a different size. Based on the example that I chose here, because you saw that they just tell you m n times p and then m and so we're basing just limited to this. If they shows other sizes.
No, it's all good. I understand now. I get it.
Okay.
I get it. I get it.
Cool.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, should we stop the broadcast and hope that's enough?
Yeah, it will be enough.
Okay, sounds good. I'm stopping it. Do we want to do another one real quick? We have one more. If we do it right now, then we're done.
I don't know. I'm for how long do you want to do it? Until 11?
Yeah, why not? And then we'll be done.
Yeah, sure. I will keep working
Okay, let's do it.
on this.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me one sec.
Put it up.